Okay, so Mr. Martin made 338 cups of macaroni and cheese for the school lunch. There were 14 cups left over after lunch. How many cups of macaroni and cheese were eaten? So how do you set it up?
Oh, you use a number bone
Yes, because
and not comparing.
correct.
Only the comparing is the more than or less than.
Correct. So
I forgot to write the number.
so from this, do your number bond and label it.
The total.
Correct. 338 total. And then what?
And the
Right. 14. Oh,
were eaten.
14 were not eaten. Right? Not eaten. And this one is eaten. So when we have the not eaten and the eaten, we add them all together and then we get 338. Correct?
Yeah.
So what is the number sentence that represent this?
338 minus 14.
Good job. 338 minus 14 will give you the eaten. Correct? Another number sentence using addition.
Oh, 338 plus 14.
No. What's an addition sentence for this?
38 plus 14.
No.
338 plus 14.
No, you cannot plus. This one is always minus. The total, you cannot add the total to something else because that will give you a new total. So what is a number sentence that uses plus for this?
I don't know.
Look at it. Look at the diagram. What plus what equal what?
I'm gonna do this.
No. Give me a number sentence with plus, with addition.
You said I cannot minus the total.
So this is one number sentence that come out of this. 338 minus 14, but this is using minus. So I need another number sentence that uses plus.
14 plus
14 plus what?
338.
No.
But that part we don't know.
Good observation. This part we don't know. So we can say this is X. We don't know it. So how do you write this as a addition sentence?
There's no way to do it.
Yes, there is.
No, we cannot put the total.
Just tell me what you see from this diagram. What number plus what number?
14 plus
14 plus,
we have to put 0.
no, we don't know what this number is, so we can draw a circle for it, or we can say this is X. So 14 plus unknown is equal to what?
Equal to equal to
14 plus unknown is equal to what?
The unknown.
What? What should it? No, look at this number bond. Think about the number bonds that we have always been working with, Trinity.
But that's not the one we're talking about.
1 plus 1 is 2.
That's too easy.
So, what is the number bond? What is an addition for this? 1 plus 1 is equal to what?
2.
The 2 is the total. This is a part, this is a part, and this is the total. This is a part, and this is a part, and this is a whole. The same idea with this. Look at the diagram and understand it. 14 plus x is equal to what? What should go over here?
338.
Yes, the total should be here. So 14 plus something we don't know is equal to 338. That's why if you set up the mental math problem, then you can do it. 14 over here, and you need to get to 338. And that's the x is the number in between here that we need to use. I don't want you to do a subtraction. I want you to do mental addition for this.
What? How can we forget that part?
It's the same thing. 14 plus something is going to get you to 338. You see this?
Yeah.
So now you do mental math to figure out what this middle number, this unknown is. You understand?
Yes.
So do the mental math to get to 338. Look over here and tell me what to do for mental math.
What I want to do is subtract.
No. You are learning mental math, so you need to do it so that you can practice.
It's not mental math, it's the arrow way.
The arrow way helps you with mental math. So for example, you look at 14 and you look at 338. So what do you need to add first to get to 338? To get closer to 338?
I don't know how to get to 3 from. So, first I can tell you add 90.
Plus what?
Mommy, I 90 and then the flash on when you are done.
Okay. What?
90.
90? No. 90 is not going to get you closer to 338. Look, remember, you need to add the biggest unit first. What's the biggest?
38.
What is the biggest unit in 338?
The 8.
No. The ones, the tens, or the hundreds?
100.
So how much do you need to add to get to 338? Closest to it.
Do you need to? I don't know how to get to.
You're at 14. You need to get to 338. So what do you need to add first?
So 4, 9,
Not 90. 90 will get you to around 100. You don't want 100. You want how many 100?
300.
So what do you need to add first?
I don't know how to get 300.
Yes, you do.
No, put 1.
No, you add 300 first. When you add 300, you're going to get to 300, closer to 300. So 300 plus 14 will get you to what?
Closer to 3.
So what will it get you? 314, what would you get to? $300 plus 14 is what?
$314.
Yes, it will get you to 314. Now, how do you get to 338?
Add the 10, you add 2 more.
In the 10, you add 2 more. What does that mean? In number form, in standard form.
20.
You add 20. Hold on. So 314 plus 20 will give you what number?
334.
Correct.
And the one you add 4 more.
In the one you add 4 more. What would that give you? What number would that?
338.
You understand?
Yes.
So now the missing number is all this addition combined. All these steps that you need to get to 338, you sum it all up and then you get the missing number.
Yeah.
So what number is that? This one.
Oh, so what you do? I don't know if they're 30 or 300.
That's a 300.
So 4, we do.
Don't write it down. Look at this and do it in your head.
So 40 and 300 for 20. 3 plus 0 is
No, 300 plus 20 will give you what?
300 for 20 is 32. 332.
No, 320. 320 is 320. 320 and 4 is what?
324.
Correct. So what's the total?
324.
324. So 14, you start at 14. You have to add how much more?
324.
To get to what?
338.
Correct. So now we know this one is right here. X is 324. That's how much we need to get from 14 to 324 to get to 338. So now what you need to do is you need to check your answer. How do you check it?
Add.
Add. Stop saying just add. I want you to tell me what and what.
14 for 324.
Good job. So we need to check our answer by doing that.
Mama,
14.
I don't have no room on my paper.
Then do it on here. 14 plus 324.
Oh,
Just tell me.
4.4 equals 8, and then 1.2 equals 3, and then 0.3 equals 3.
Does that matches up?
Check.
Check.
Yeah.
Understand?
Mama,
So-
do we need to do any more?
Hold on. So what is the number of that was in?
300 and 300. 324.
Correct. 324 is in. So now we can also check it by doing the subtraction problem.
No. 8 plus minus 4 equals 4. And 3 minus 1 equals 2. 3 minus 0 equals 3.
You understand?
Yep.
So if we subtract it,
And
it will give us the same answer as if we did a mental math using addition.
I knew that
Understand?
it would be 324.
Okay.
I knew it before we did the mental math.
Okay, good. But because the subtraction was easy, right?
Right.
But there's multiple ways of solving it. You need to know what numbers you need to keep track of to understand the problem. You understand?
Yes. Mama,